Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop. Here we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, you can handle it here to click on airplane mode. You will wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.